Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of plant-based beauty with an exciting product, Organifi Glow Vegan Collagen Powder. If you're looking for a natural way to enhance your skin's health and radiance, stay tuned. Organifi Glow is a vegan collagen booster designed to support healthy skin, hair, and nails. Unlike traditional collagen supplements, which are often derived from animal sources, this powder is completely plant-based. But what exactly makes it so beneficial? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about hydration. One of the key ingredients in Organifi Glow is aloe vera. Aloe vera is known for its hydrating properties, helping to maintain moisture in your skin. This can lead to a more supple and youthful appearance. Next, we have tremella mushroom, also known as the beauty mushroom. This powerful ingredient is packed with polysaccharides that help to retain moisture in the skin, much like hyaluronic acid. It's a game changer for anyone looking to boost their skin's hydration levels naturally. Organifi Glow also contains a cereulate cherry, a superfruit that's incredibly rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production and helps to protect the skin from oxidative stress. This can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and improve skin elasticity. And let's not forget bamboo silica. This ingredient supports the strength and flexibility of your skin, hair, and nails. It's a natural way to keep everything looking strong and healthy. So how do you use Organifi Glow? It's simple. Just mix 1 scoop of the powder with water or your favorite beverage. It's delicious and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Cheers to healthier skin, hair, and nails. Drinks. The taste is light and refreshing, making it a perfect addition to your morning or evening routine. Organifi Glow Vegan Collagen Powder is a fantastic way to support your beauty from the inside out. If you're ready to give your skin a natural boost, definitely give this product a try. You can find the link in the description below to order yours today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. And let us know in the comments if you've tried Organifi Glow and what benefits you've noticed. See you next time.